Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are gonna start this episode a bit differently than usual because now we have a situation. We parked here, not really in emergency, but as soon as possible. We still managed to find a pretty nice camp spot near the lake as usual. We wanted to visit this area. It's full of lakes. It's really beautiful, but plans changed because tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up very early and check this brake caliper. I'm pretty sure it's stuck. So it's braking all the time. I have some weird vibration. The fuel consumption went higher. It's been actually since we're in Finland, I just can't stop saying to Lizanne, "Oh, that's really weird. The fuel consumption is really high again. It's the kind of road I get a really nice mileage normally, but we don't." And yeah, I had some weird vibration. Yesterday I had some, and actually you can see in the Q&A at the end I have a weird face. This is because I was feeling those vibration, and it was also a weird smell coming out of the front driver wheel, and now I'm pretty sure it's the brake caliper. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna jack up the car and check everything. Maybe I can manage to do it myself. If I can't, we're gonna go to the nearest garage so they can take care of this. But I'm still gonna try. It was pretty bad on the highway. It was very hot and bad smell. So yeah, we decided to stop here, have a good night. I'm not gonna do this right now because we're gonna be out of daylight real soon, and I think it's just better to wait for tomorrow morning. So yeah, the adventure continue. Not the best way, but that's adventure. Stay tuned for the rest. Hi, good morning guys. So I just had a nice sleep, nice breakfast, but now it's time to deal with the problem we got here. So I'm just gonna jack up the car, remove the wheel, the brake caliper, the brake pads, and see what's wrong and if I can fix it. I really want to try and figure this out by myself. I didn't fold the rooftop tent because maybe we're gonna stay here tonight. We'll see what happened next. But right now I'm gonna work on the car and try to fix this. Okay, so I just removed the brake caliper and it hangs to the spring here with a nice strap so I don't damage the brake hose. And yeah, I think I figured out the problem is one piston here. I don't know if it's the right term in English, but this one's probably a little bit stuck because it's more out than the other one. So I'll try to push it back on and hope that's gonna be enough. We'll see. And to push the piston back on, it's better to just open the master cylinder here. Okay, well, I think I've done everything I could because as far as I can see, both pistons are not stuck because I saw them moving just with my own force. I think we are good. The brake caliper can move freely. I checked this as well. This is not the problem. So I'm gonna put everything together because I really did everything I could have real quick. Anyway, today or tomorrow we're gonna head to an auto shop and I will buy more gear to maybe take care of this more seriously if it's not fixed. So yep, I'm gonna put everything back together. Okay, that's it. Everything's back together. I just need to reorganize all the tools and put them where they belong. We'll see tomorrow morning if I fixed the issue, because with Lizanne we decided to stay here today. It's a beautiful day. We have some hikes just right there. We have the lake. There was a lot of fish yesterday when we arrived here, so maybe we're gonna try that a bit later on the day. But yeah, we're gonna stay here, work a bit, chill, and tomorrow hopefully the problem will be solved. We'll see that. Finger crossed.
At the end, it rained all the afternoon, so we did nothing and got some rest.
Good morning, guys. So that was a pretty rough morning for us. As you can see, it's really rainy today and we packed up everything under the rain. Everything is wet, so yeah, that was pretty rough. And we are driving for 15 minutes now, and I can't say if I fixed the issue with the brakes. I don't have this weird feeling on the steering wheel anymore, but I don't know, I still have doubts. So I'm gonna park on the side of the road and check if the wheel's hot, the disc brake is hot, and I will know for sure if the problem's still here or not. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's not that hot. Alright guys, so it looks like the problem is solved. So I can really feel that the Forester is not sluggish, it didn't break by itself anymore, and the wheel's not hot anymore. So for now the problem's solved, but we're still gonna head to the auto shop center to buy some proper lube and degreaser and stuff like this, just in case. Alright guys, so that was a rainy day. Really not an interesting day, and it rained all day. We were in the city doing some groceries, and we went to Motornet, something like this. This is a big shop with car stuff, so I bought some WD-40, some oil and an oil filter, because I'm gonna do the oil change We already drove 10,000 kilometers. That's a lot. I didn't expect that. But yeah, we drove a lot, and we found this little quiet spot to sleep tonight. This is pretty nice. There are a lot of spots like this in Finland. You have this is some little docks for small boats. You have some cabins here to change, and just behind me there is some dry toilets. You can see the view. It's always pretty nice to be around lakes. We have water for shower, and the view is awesome. It's really peaceful. Finland is so peaceful. Hey there! So we left our previous camp spot this morning, and we drove around an hour and a half to get here. This is a region full of lakes, so it's really beautiful. It's not raining yet. It was a bit rainy this morning, but not anymore. So we can enjoy. We find a nice place here to stay. I've set up the drone. We're gonna try to get some footage with it, and we're just gonna chill, grab a cup of coffee and hang around. About the bad brake caliper, as I said, we drove a bit this morning, and everything went well. Fuel consumption is okay, and the wheel's not hot, we don't have a bad smell or anything, so I guess that's good news. As you can see, the fuel consumption dropped massively from 13 to 10. That's a big difference.
Then we took the road and saw the most impressive sunset of our life. And after a freezing night, we took the ferry, which ended our trip in Scandinavia, but started another part of it in Eastern Europe. Like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account, my Facebook page and my merch store. And if you want to support us in another way, we also have a Patreon page. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.